on a Windows laptop. This is running Windows 11. Yep. So there are a few prerequisites. So as you might have known, you need to download Kafka. So download Kafka. I'll put these URLs in the description. So don't navigate to the URL. Look for 4.0 or any latest release. Look for binary download and click this. Yeah. The next prerequisite is Java. I'll get this URL in the description. So this is JDK24. As you can see, the latest for Windows is click this x64 installer or MSI, either of this. Yep. When you downloaded both of them, you'll see the JDK exe application, and then you'll also see the Kafka zip file. So double click this exe JDK. It'll take 2 to 3 minutes. Finish off installing. It might ask for a restart. Restart it. Don't extract the zip file here. Take the zip file from the downloads. Go to your D drive if you have one, or C drive. Create a new folder in the parent because it doesn't accept long paths. So create a small folder name without any spaces. Paste your tar file here, the compressed archive, and extract it. And again, after extraction, it'll have the underscores and dots. So remove all those underscore dots and probably rename that to Kafka4. Double click Kafka4, right click, and then say open in terminal. Yeah. So once you right click on the Kafka4 folder, open the terminal, it opens up something like this. So just clears, it opens up a empty panel like this, empty terminal like this. Open it up and execute this first command. This is required to format your storage directories. So decide on a unique name. In my case, I've chosen Kafka-Sundar1. I have not used the random unique identifier because I'm going to have only one node in my cluster. Yep, and then say enter. It takes a couple of seconds and then it gives this error, but it doesn't matter, it still works. It says log directories are formatted. In your case, it might be a different prompt because I already ran this once. And then the next step is so this is the log directory formatting step. The next one is to start the server. So it's again, you're already in the bin Kafka4 folder, put /. Hope this is visible now. /bin/windows kafka-server-start.bat /server-properties. Then press enter. It takes a couple of seconds. It does complain of an older log4j version, but still the Kafka server kicks off, and then we can create a topic and start pushing messages.